Hi guys, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Well, if you use Microsoft Edge browser regularly and are tired of seeing those Microsoft news on your browser's homepage, then this video is for you. Here, I am going to show you how to turn off Microsoft news on the Microsoft Edge's new tab in a few simple steps. As you can see, this page is bombarded with news. Some people might like getting all the top stories instead of a blank page on a browser. But it is annoying sometimes. You see, every time you open a new tab, you get these news stories. However, to get rid of news, simply click on the gear icon here to access the browser settings. From here, you need to navigate to the Show Feed option. You can customize your feeds by choosing from 3 options, or simply toggle it off and that's it. All the annoying news will disappear. You can now enjoy a clean and clutter-free browser experience. However, if you want to get Microsoft news back on your home page, you can simply toggle on the Show Feed option from Settings. Well, there you have it, an easy-to-understand tutorial on how to turn off Microsoft news in Microsoft Edge browser. For more such useful videos, keep following my YouTube channel.